Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be an unboxing video of Your Creative Studio subscription stationery box. So this is the third box that I have been sent from them to unbox on my channel, and the last one was super fun, and I was really happy with that one, and I've been using it actually in my personal journal quite a bit, especially the stamps. But yeah, so I'm excited to unbox this one with you guys. So I was using my little vintage letter opener there, and I tried to use it again to open some of the packages, but it wasn't working so well. So I actually got out my little scissors that came with one of the, I think the first pack or the first box I got from Your Creative Studio. So I'm using some of the items that I've gotten from them already to open up the packages in this box. So this one has sort of like a botanical and bee theme, so there's definitely a lot of like bee imagery in here. And as you can see, I'm going to be opening up some of the stamps. This is a, they say it says masking tape, but it just basically is like washi tape. So lately, my husband has decided that he's going to be a beekeeper. So that's a new development here at my house, and we actually have a bee hive up on my hill, and he's got like the whole bee suit and gear. I don't know. I have zero part in this. This is all his new hobby. But yeah, it's kind of funny that this is like a new development here at my house, and then I got this bee stationery box. So I guess I'll have to use this for some journaling once we start getting some honey and harvesting it and all that stuff. So look at this cute little jar. Isn't that so cute? I'm gonna just pop a bee video in here somewhere. My husband sent me a video that he took the other day, and I'm gonna pop it in the video just so you can see our bees. But yeah, so these little stickers here were one of my favorite things in the box. You'll see as I open it, a huge variety of like holographic stickers, and they're just like a lot of pretty images, botanicals, bees. You see that? There's like floral bouquets. Really, really nice. I particularly like using all of this stuff in my like TN Traveler's Notebook style journals. It's fun to just like stick a bunch of stickers down and doodle around them and just like write my journaling around them. So I tend to use a lot of stickers lately, I've noticed, in my journaling. So yeah, oh, this is one of the really cool things in the box too, is I've never seen this before. It's like an actual little bookmark, and I'm gonna try and show you what it looks like in my Traveler's Notebook. So I just grabbed my Traveler's Notebook that I have my fountain pen ink swatches in, and I just placed it in there to see what it looked like, and it's super cute. So yeah, that's an interesting and unique piece of this particular box. So I've noticed that most of the boxes come with like little label type things kind of like this. So there's always some sort of package like this in the box with different size labels that you can use, sometimes blank, sometimes decorative, such as these. Super easy to tape into or glue into your Traveler's Notebook spreads. So yeah, I just love getting these small little decorative elements. It makes decorating your journal pages super easy. So this little paper pad in particular I really liked because I liked the size of the prints, the size of the images, these sort of small florals. I feel like these are going to be really nice for like layering in my journals, like when I just, do simple and small collage work. It's just a nice size versus something larger like, a full-sized digital print on like a, A4 paper or whatever it is. Yeah, I just like the smaller print kind of condensed into one little square. So that'll be fun to use for some journaling. So I see that most of the boxes that I've received also contain something kind of like this, where it's paper ephemera, and it's the same prints, but printed on different types of paper. So it's like, let's just say there's, 3 or 4 designs, but then they'll give it to you on regular paper, and then the same designs but on vellum, and then the same designs but on a sticker sheet. So you can use the same design and you have a variety of paper types to use it. So that's really nice. I like the big sticker sheets because then I don't have to use glue, and that's just like one full big background for a journal page. So I like to take the backing off and just lay the whole sticker sheet onto my TN insert standard size page, and then I just cut off the excess, and then I have just like an immediate background. So that's just nice if you are looking to like give yourself a quick background with not too much like thinking. So that's what I love those large sticker sheets for. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and seeing all the little bits and bobs that came in this box. I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I thought it was funny that it was a bee theme because, like I said, we just got bees. Always love the stamps and the stickers in these boxes. So yeah, again, another box that just did not disappoint. Thank you, Amanda, and Your Creative Studio team for sending this to me to unbox on my channel. All right, see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.